Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Al here, making stuff and breaking stuff. So today I have a great show planned out for you. We're going to do a head-to-head impact driver test, Ryobi impact driver against the Makita impact driver. We're going to go over the stats, see which one is better suited for your application, your needs, your wallet and budget, and see the difference between the two. We're just going to kind of head-to-head them, see which one does what, and at the end I'll tell you which one I prefer. Try to do some rapid fires here. 1, 2, 3. That was a knot, a little harder. 4, 5. All right. Try it with the Ryobi. All right, rapid fire with the Ryobi. 5 in a row. See if I don't crack under pressure. Ready to go. Come on. We'll go over the weight real quick here. Bare tool and with battery. Of course, we'll take the heavy brick off this one. Okay, the Ryobi bare tool is 2.11 ounces. 2 pounds, 11 ounces. Makita is 1 pound, 13 ounces. So almost a pound lighter bare tool. With the battery, now this is just a 2 amp hour. 2 pounds, 10 ounces. I love this lightness of this. So I'll put a 2 amp hour on this bad boy. Well, 3.11. So a pound. Batteries are a pound for the Ryobi. Go over the stats one more time real quick just to clarify everything. So Makita claims it has 1,240 inch-pounds of torque. Low speed is 0 to 1,300 RPMs. High is 0 to 30 to 3,000 RPMs. Impacts per minute on low is 0 to 1,600. Impacts or blows per minute. High is 0 to 3,900 impacts per minute or blows per minute. Let's see, it's 5.5 inches long. The Ryobi says it has 2,000 foot-pounds of torque compared to the 1240. It has, on high mode, it has 4,350 impacts or blows per minute. Low is 0 to 1,100. And then second gear is 0 to 2,150. And of course, high is 0 to 3,100. So on high, here's 3,100. High on this one is 3,000. So only 100 RPM difference, supposedly. But the blows, impacts per minute is what really sets these two apart, I think. This one is 3,900. This one is 4,350. So almost 500 more on this one than this one. What else? That's really about it. This one has 3 speeds. This one, I guess, has 3 speeds too. It has high, low, and then auto for so you don't strip out screws and whatnot. Just for fun, just to see the power difference, let's try to sink this big old leg bolt into here. Now I am going to use a pre-existing hole just so I don't bust apart my 2x4s. So we got the Makita. What the hell? Oh, there we go. In high mode. Okay, here we go. Holy cow, it's hot. Let's find a hole. Okay, got this one in high. Okay. Now we're not using high capacity battery on this one. We're gonna do a high. regular battery. Okay? Ready? I am going to put on some hearing protection because this Ryobi one is a little bit louder. Here we go. Wow. That's very interesting. The Ryobi keeps cutting out. Doesn't. And I'm not pushing on these hard, I'm just letting the tool do all the work. One-handed. And you see how the light blinks? Let's put on the high capacity battery, see if it does it. Alright, high capacity, let's see what happens. That was twice as fast as a Makita with this. This time I'm going to record it just to see the difference. Threshold. Just got started sitting there. Ryobi, high capacity battery. Okay, ready? $12 seconds. Got it. Now, let's try to time the Makita. Okay, I know it's not going to be able to beat 12.9 seconds, but we'll try just for fun. Hey, ready, get set, go. Well, was it 12? So double the time for the Makita. About 20 seconds versus, what did I say? Was it 12 seconds? I'll look back at the video. And I didn't quite sync it all the way. There we go. So let's say, yeah, 20 seconds for the Makita. Or how fast the Makita can sink in 6 of these screws. And then we'll do the Ryobi. Okay, ready, get set, go. Got a slippy bit. 16 seconds. Let's try the Ryobi. Reset. Start off the same way. Ready, set, go. Whoa, that went way. Flippy bit. Come on, come on, come on, get in there. Time, 13 seconds. Nice. I choked a little bit. I got 13 seconds versus 16 seconds. So 3 seconds faster for the Ryobi. Alright guys, hope you like that quick little review and test. Ryobi impact driver versus the Makita subcompact impact driver. Obviously, the Ryobi with the big HP battery outdoes the Makita subcompact. But it kept up pretty close. It was very close. 3 seconds difference in the screw test. And then with the leg bolt test, what was it? I forgot, I have to look back at the times. A few seconds faster. But of course, you know, this one has almost 500 more blows per minute than this one does. It also has a couple hundred more RPMs than this one does, especially when you add the high performance battery. It's really fast. I mean, this one is very fast. But I just love this one for its compact size and weight. If you're working above your head, you cannot beat this one. I love this little one. What else? Let's see here. There's a specific tool you want me to review, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to try to do that for you. Thanks for all my new subscribers. Appreciate the support. Keep watching. Got lots of great videos coming up. Ryobi, the winner over the subcompact, but it kept up pretty quick. Pretty close. I liked it. So I like both of these a lot. But if you want lightweight in small spaces, subcompact for sure. If you want some power, this with this big battery, heck yeah, power up the wazoo. So don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe. See ya.